Hello everyone. This morning I put an announcement on the channel that I would have a big announcement today. So I want to tell you all what I have accepted today. I got a notice, an email notice this morning from someone, the company that makes the superb canning lids that I have featured in my videos many times, has asked me to be a part of their affiliate program so that I can bring you all a discount on your canning lids, and they also have jars. So I will be doing some videos over the next little while showing you all more about these superb canning supplies. But this is the way I buy the lid. The lids come in a big pack like this. That's the regular ones. And then this is the wide mouth ones. Of course, I do a lot of canning, so I'll go through those in no time. So anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that, and be looking in the description for a link to where you can get these and a discount code. So your discount on their site will be 20%, but you'll have to go to their site and use the code that's in the description below in order to get that 20%. And those of you who've been watching me for a long time, you know that I've tried a lot of different lids, and I'm going to show you all some comparisons between the lids, but these are the best lids that I've ever used. So they're made with, or by an Amish community, Amish family, and they started this company whenever it got to the point where they could not get decent lids. So anyway, y'all be watching for these videos to show the comparisons, and I'm going to even open some things and show you the difference between the seal on the Superb compared to some other things. So until the next time, God bless you.